Good afternoon to you. Well, a wonderfully sunny start to the new week for many of us. Full blown blue sky for the majority of England and Wales, as you can see on the earlier satellite and radar picture. Always more cloud cover through parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but even so, I'm optimistic of breaks in that cloud as the sunshine pushes through. And with the warm, relatively muggy air, hit and miss downpours again a feature of our forecast. Most of these cropping up through mainland Scotland down to Northern England, particularly through the Pennines, down to Wales and the West Country, and some could well give really intense downpours, a deluge from time to time, rumbles of thunder and an awful lot of rain falling in a short space of time. But where it stays fine and bone dry, a perfect summer's day, highs of 24 or 25 degrees in that strong early June sunshine, and even with the cloud cover a little further north, it stays warm with fairly decent temperatures. Those downpours continue as the day draws to a close. For the rest of us, a lovely summer's evening ahead. Later, no sunshine before dusk once more. A very good afternoon to you. Well, Storm Hector giving us unseasonably windy weather out there today. The winds this strong this time of year, a little unusual but not unheard of. Fresher and cooler generally in the last few hours, but as the sunshine develops, temperatures recover as the day wears on. The heaviest rain through Scotland in the next few hours. It's here we've seen the strongest winds along with parts of Northern Ireland, damaging gusts in excess of 70 miles an hour. For all of us, a very windy day, very blustery, a good deal of cloud across the southeast, but patchy drizzle moving through at quite a pace on those brisk winds. And as the sunshine develops, temperatures lifted a few degrees, highs of 22 or 23 degrees, but always very windy across the northeast. Here, gale force winds and gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, and further blustery downpours on and off across Scotland and Northern Ireland as the day wears on. For the rest of us, an improving situation into this evening, late and low sunshine before dusk, and temperatures take a while to slide tonight. Whatever. A very good afternoon to you. Well, a heat wave as we topple our way into a new week, hotting up for all of us. Temperatures peaking near 30 degrees across the south today and near 30 degrees across the north tomorrow, with sunny skies, barely a breeze and hardly a cloud in the sky. As you can see from the earlier satellite and radar picture, something we don't see very often, wall-to-wall clear skies with stunning sunshine. Crystal clear blue skies, strong hot sunshine across central and southeastern spots. Here, highs of 29 or 30 degrees in the next few hours. A little more comfortable, you could say, further north, 25, 26 degrees here. Always a touch fresher and cooler around the coast with a bit more of a breeze. And nowhere near as muggy or as humid as it could be in this situation. So really lovely out there. A perfect end to the day this evening. Late, low sunshine before dusk. And into tomorrow, more of the same. Close to 30 degrees. The temperature's peaking across the north this time, particularly across the northwest. Enjoy. Whatever. A very good afternoon to you. Well, the heat wave will bring sizzling sunshine and soaring temperatures in excess of 30 degrees for some of us as the week wears on, with the heat working its way northwards in the next day or so. And another textbook summer's day out there, full-blown blue sky and barely a breeze through the bulk of Britain. Just a little more cloud hugging those coastal fringes of the North Sea, not amounting to too much. The cloud through Northern Ireland drifting across to parts of Scotland to give that sunshine a little more haziness in the next few hours, but very warm everywhere as temperatures soar. We could see it hotting up quite considerably across parts of Northern England, the Midlands and Wales. Here temperatures will peak at 30 or 31 degrees today, and it remains baking hot this evening with late and low sunshine before dusk. It'll take a while for those temperatures to slide away. Nowhere near as muggy or as humid as it could feel in this situation, and another stunning day tomorrow. Hot, strong sunshine once more. Whatever.
Temperatures potentially breaking records this week. Can it last? Let's cross to the ITV weather presenter Lucy Verasamy. That's a big question. How long are the hot temperatures going to continue for?
Well, Nina, it's looking like it's set in for the next few days at least. This heat wave has only just got going. We're going to see the hottest conditions through today, tomorrow and Thursday. It really is a sustained spell of hot weather, and we're going to see temperatures peak in the next few days, way above what you'd expect for the time of year, and into the weekend and beyond. Well, there's a little let-up. Temperatures slide a few degrees, a little more comfortable if anything, a little like last week. But some of us, in some parts of the country, could well be on track for one of our driest Junes for over 80 years.
Lucy, where exactly are we expecting those temperatures to peak?
Well, that quite a broad question because unusually with this heat wave, the heat that we're seeing this time around is really widespread. We're all on the same page. We're going to see temperatures reach their peak across northern England, Wales and the Midlands today, in excess of 30 degrees here. And then that hot weather works its way northwards as the week wears on. So Scotland could well see its hottest June day since 1995, and the way things stand, Northern Ireland could well have their hottest day ever on record.
Lucy, thank you very much. Lucy will be back with a full forecast in just a few.
Good afternoon to you. Well, we're feeling truly spoilt this week, yet further gorgeous weather to come as we approach the weekend. We've got searing sunshine and soaring temperatures. We're on track for one of the longest heat waves since 1976. Early morning clouds through central and eastern zones were soon gobbled up by that sunshine, and we've got near wall-to-wall clear skies the length and breadth of Britain and Northern Ireland once more. Temperatures already bouncing up a few degrees across many western zones. We'll see the highest figures, close to 30 across parts of Cumbria and North Wales today. Those temperatures just a little more modest around North Sea coastal fringes with the breeze and a touch more cloud. But where we've got the sunshine, feeling hot for all of us. Another beautiful summer's evening ahead, late sunshine before dusk, staying remarkably warm, and tomorrow it's a repeat performance. We could get used to this. Near full-blown blue skies and stunning sunshine again this Saturday. See you soon. Whatever. Ladies and gentlemen. Hello to you again. Well, a near perfect summer's day out there once more. Beautiful, endless blue skies and stunning, searing sunshine. Temperatures bouncing up to near 30 degrees once more. And any early clouds soon got nibbled away as the sunshine got to work. For many of us, we've seen full-blown blue skies from the word go and becoming quite toasty as we go through the afternoon once more. Temperatures quite widely between 28 and 29 degrees. Again, we could see close to 30 across sheltered western spots of England and Wales. Here, those temperatures remain way above what you'd expect for the time of year. And for once, we lose the gloomy grey conditions along the east coast. Here, much brighter than recent days, boosting the temperatures, if just a little cooler and fresher in the breeze. As the day draws to a close, late sunshine before dusk once more, a really lovely end to a lovely day. See you soon. Good afternoon to you. Well, we keep the heat wave heat as we drift into a new week. Close to 30 degrees again today. It's looking like one of our hottest starts to Wimbledon for quite some time, with humid, muggy air keeping things very much on the toasty side as the day wears on. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Early clouds, stubborn shift from parts of southeastern Scotland, and through Scotland a fresher feel to the day. For the rest of us, again, we're truly spoilt with unbroken blue skies and hot, strong sunshine. Temperatures near to 30 degrees already, and it stays so hot through the course of the afternoon. Any glitch will be some hit-and-miss downpours cropping up through parts of Cornwall. Here, rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, but a gorgeous evening ahead. Late sunshine and staying notably warm out there. It takes a while for the temperatures to slide. A close, stuffy night. Temperatures not much below 18 or 19 degrees, but not as muggy as last night. Whatever. A very good afternoon to you. Well, this summer just keeps giving and giving. Hot sunshine as the week wears on, increasingly humid and thundery from Thursday onwards. And from that point in, temperatures climb again. We could see highs in excess of 30 degrees come the end of the week. And another stunning day out there, picture perfect, with endless blue skies and plenty of unbroken sunshine. That earlier gloomy grey weather gobbled up by the sunshine around those eastern coastal fringes, and here temperatures on the rise as the sunshine gets going. Elsewhere, feeling so hot again, highs of 28 or 29, just a little more cloud wafting its way across southern counties. The outside chance of a downpour cropping up through the West Country or Hampshire before the end of the day. Otherwise, plenty of sunshine and staying remarkably warm this evening. Tonight, it stays very mild and not quite as muggy as last night. Whatever the weather. A very good afternoon to you. Well, after so many days of stunning summery weather, not quite a straightforward setup out there today. For many of us, it's looking promising once more, but we've got that low cloud plaguing eastern coastal counties again, a little grey and gloomy before things cheer up, and the first signs of some rain for quite some time across the south and the southwest. Much needed rain for some. These hit-and-miss downpours are a feature of our forecast as we head through the next 24 hours. For some locations, it remains bone dry. For others, a deluge. And with the moisture in the air, with the cloud cover, feeling quite humid and muggy. Highs of 26 or 27 degrees, even with a lack of sunshine. And we could see similar values through northern Scotland today. Here, too, hit-and-miss showers as we head through the course of the afternoon. But for many of us, we keep the blue skies and the sunshine, and it stays remarkably mild and warm as we slide into this evening and tonight. See you soon.
Whatever the weather.
Well, with a little more cloud in the next few days and stunning sunrises and sunsets to come, we keep the hot, strong sunshine in many locations, but temperatures set to slide. They'll be down a notch on what we've seen of late, and a little more comfortable, if anything. That cloud already filtering its way in from the north, as you can see on the earlier satellite picture, the best of the unbroken blue sky through parts of mainland Scotland, down to Wales, the West Country, and parts of central southern England. Here, the best of the temperatures today. Again, those temperatures climbing close to 30 or 31 degrees, hot and humid in the next few hours. For the rest of us, more cloud offering more shade, and feeling not quite so hot as it has been of late. If anything, just a touch fresher, particularly around the coasts with the cool sea breeze. And we'll see just the outside chance of a shower or longer downpour developing before the end of the day, but most of us stay fine and dry, staying remarkably mild, muggy and warm across the south, even after dark. Well, a slight blip in our recent heat wave. So much fresher, so much cooler out there today as temperatures slide a fair few degrees. The muggy, humid air gives way and we see more cloud, but generally fine and dry for the majority. That's the good news. We've got a good deal of cloud drifting across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of eastern England, Wales and the West Country, sandwiched in between some stunning sunshine and blue sky. And here the best of the temperatures. We could well see highs of 24 or 25 degrees, quite reasonable, not as high as what we've seen of late, but a little more comfortable if anything, and always so much cooler around those coastlines with the chillier feeling breeze, particularly where we've got the cloud cover. Showery outbreaks of rain on and off through parts of Scotland, but for many of us it will stay fine and dry. The cloud nibbled away later to leave some late sunshine before dusk, and a fresh feel for the night ahead of a very similar day tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Have a good day.